Hello, in this video I shall be discussing three topics of science and technology. So the first topic is Psyche. So Psyche is the name of a metallic asteroid. So this metallic asteroid is recently found in the asteroid belt. And this is considered as the largest asteroid in the whole of our solar system. So we have an asteroid belt in our solar system and which is made up of so many asteroids. So amongst this, Psyche is the largest asteroid which is recently found. So this is found by NASA, and this the importance or significance of Psyche is water-rich minerals are found over this Psyche. So this is an important aspect or a significant unique aspect of Psyche which is not present in other asteroids. So water-rich minerals are found in this, and so we can know that water is present and or hydroxyl is present on Psyche. And this is 300 kilometers apart. So the asteroid is 300 kilometers apart, or across its length and width it is around 300 kilometers. And the source of the molecules, how this water or hydroxyl molecules have gone there, that's a mystery and which needs to be researched. So because there are so many theories on this particular source of molecules of water getting onto Psyche, so this has to be researched. So NASA is going to launch a project over to Psyche in 2022 in order to study the source of molecules of water and how life can be possible if there is real water over there on this particular asteroid. So the second topic is Trishul. So Trishul is the name of a missile, that is surface to air missile. So this missile goes from surface and attacks an attacking missile in air. So surface to air missile, that is purely indigenous. So this is developed in India only. So this is a short range missile, that is it goes to only a distance of 9 kilometers. So short range surface to air missile. So this weighs around 130 kilograms and it can carry a warhead. So a missile carries a warhead for attacking. So this warhead can be 15 kilograms. So this is the weight of it and the amount of weight it can carry. So this came up, this project to build Trishul was in between 1983 to 1992. So since 1992 we are holding Trishul as the indigenous missile in India. And this came up with a program called IGMD, Integrated Guided Missile Development. So this program was initially led or started by APJ Abdul Kalam, our former president. So this integrated guided missile development launched this project of making Trishul. So this is also an anti-sea skimmer. This can also be used as an anti-sea skimmer. That is, a sea skimmer is a missile that flies close to the surface of the sea. This is the sea. A missile, an attacking missile, can fly very close to the surface of the sea in order to attack. So this Trishul can be launched from a ship over the sea. So in order to attack this missile, Trishul can be launched from a ship to a distance of 9 kilometers. So this is against these sea skimmers that fly close to the sea. So this is an anti-sea skimmer also. And the last topic is MAXINS. So this is pronounced as MAXINS, and this is a topic under materials science, a new invention under materials science. So these are two-dimensional inorganic compounds, and what actually this does is, these are made up of atoms, so many layers of thin layered atoms. So the atoms are formed into thin layers of metal. So these metallic atoms are transitional in nature, so they can be used as conductors. So these metals can be carbides or nitrides or carbonitrates. All of these are conductors. So their transition metal atoms are present, and the surface has got oxygen terminated surface. So basically this is a layer of atoms, thin layer of atoms, which can be used as a transition material or transition metal, which has got oxygen over it. So this is the basic formation of MAXINS, and this conductive layered material, so all of this can conduct electricity or power through it. So this conductive layered material has got tunable surface. Tunable surface is the surface of a polymer, if that can be tuned as we wish, is called a tunable surface. So this has got a tunable surface. So this is used in energy storage applications. So where we can store the energy in lithium ion batteries or in supercapacitors. So these two are energy storage applications of MAXINs. In lithium ion batteries can be built by MAXINs, and supercapacitors can be built by MAXINs. So these materials are used in lithium ion batteries and supercapacitors, and these MAXINs are also used in photocatalysis, water purification and gas sensors. These are the 5 or different applications of MAXINs. Basically they are a layer of transition metal which is used as a conductor. So as they can conduct and as they can store energy, they can be used in the making of batteries. So these are the 3 topics for today, and thank you.